Today is our special picnic day. The weather is perfect.
Yes, dear. I packed everything. Let's enjoy the park together.
Good morning, dear. Today we planned a beautiful picnic.
Yes, I'm excited.
Let's have breakfast first. We should take sandwiches, fruits, and cold juice for the picnic.
And don't forget the blanket. I love sitting under the trees.
Breakfast is important. We need energy for our picnic.
Yes, this toast is delicious.
Now we are ready. Did we forget anything in the basket?
I think we have everything.
Walking in this fresh air feels so good in the morning.
You are right. The park is not far. I can already see the green trees. Look at these beautiful flowers. The park is so colorful today.
Yes, and the fresh air feels wonderful. This spot is perfect.
Nice shade and soft grass.
Yes, I love it here. Now let's take out the food.
This sandwich is really tasty.
Very good. The fresh air makes the food taste even better.
The park is so beautiful today. I love this peaceful atmosphere.
Yes, and the fresh air feels wonderful.
Look at these beautiful butterflies.
Yes, dear, and the birds are singing so sweetly.
This beautiful park is the best part of the day.
Yes, dear, I feel so relaxed and happy.
Look at these colorful flowers. They are so beautiful in the sunlight.
Yes, dear, this is like a dream. The sun is setting. Evening has come so quickly.
Yes, dear. It's time to go home. Everything is packed.
Yes, dear, today was a perfect picnic day. I enjoyed every moment.
The day passed so nicely. I really enjoyed our picnic.
Me too, dear. It's so special.
Thank you for watching our beautiful picnic day.
Come back again for more fun English stories.